So as I said, today's topic is about Moldex 3D solution for automation, electrification, sustainability, and cloud connectivity. Right. So that's what we're going to focus on. I have a couple of case studies towards the end of this presentation, especially focusing on the sustainability side. But we just want to share, what are the tools out there and how you can automate your simulation world with Moldex 3D. So. Uh, who are we? Basically, we work with molding companies from small family-owned to large enterprises. Some of them have a couple of molding machine to the companies who have 50, 60 or more molding machines. We have 5,000 plus clients who are utilizing Moldex 3D on their day-to-day operations in order to optimize their product development, the tooling, and processing. And what we typically do is we work with them and we help them, eliminate and reduce the frustration that goes into trial and errors when running into issues like shrinkage, warpage, air traps, surface defects, and also on the rubber side, we help them with the simulation as well. But yeah, these are the companies that we work with. It can be, from small scale to large scale, any industry, automotive, medical. If you're molding it, we can simulate it inside Moldex 3D. All right. So what we typically do right now in production, and this is just a background on why simulation is needed. So what we typically do is when the part is not working right, we call in our processing team and ask them like, hey, can you fix it, right? What they do is they try to run the design of experiments or the DOE inside in the production floor in their molding machine and try to find out if there is a solution out there that can fix these kind of issues. If not, then the next step is to involve the design team and ask them like, hey, is there anything we can do in terms of design, like gating changes or venting, or maybe changing some strategy related to the tool, and see if we can improve the quality of the part, right? And these kind of trial and errors, whether it be processing trials or whether it be tool design revisions, it takes significant amount of time and energy, and also cost is involved, right? When we talk about the cost, Plantemoran did a study independently, and they found out that when we talk about mold design revision, it's not just the cost of trial. When we look at the trial cost, it could be anywhere between like 3,000 to like 4,000, depending on the complexity. But it's not just that. There are several other factors involved. There is engineering managers' time, engineers' time, designers' time. The tryout time when the machine is running. Also, if you're shipping the mold outside, that costs us a lot. So when you add all those factors in place, the cost is almost double.